Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I have a nice try on haul for you guys. It's a bathing suit try on haul. As you can see, we are just jumping right into it. This is the last bathing suit haul of the month, of the year, because as you know, it's getting cold. I've been done this video, but I just never posted it, and I wanted it to be the last bathing suit haul, but I'm just like posting it a little bit later than I would want to. So this bathing suit is like brown and it have some gold in it, and it's really pretty, which is why I picked it out. But if you have a bigger boobs, it doesn't have much support. As you can see, the strap is really thin, so that not that much support. Um, the next one is this bathing suit. I think it's really pretty. It's very cute. The color is very nice. As you can see when the video started, I said that was my favorite. It is. It's like the ruffles around it. It's super cute. Like if you have like a rounder butt, it would be so cute. My butt is a little bit wider, so you can't really see the style. But this is it, and I love it. It have the part I like about it the most is the push up in the bra, cause it kind of, yes, like I'm showing you here, it kind of push up my boobs, give me a little cleavage, you know, kind of cute, but the back kind of tight too. Like you can see my skin is just like pushing through it. Um, it's kind of tight. It's actually my size. Maybe it runs small, but that's actually my size. So that's that, and I love this. I really love this bathing suit. I mean, the price is on it, but I actually kept it because I'm thinking maybe next year I can still wear it, still rock it. I don't know if you buy stuff at Target. The yellow tag gives me that it was on sale, and I got them for like $8 each piece. All right, next one. Oh my God, this bathing suit is so pretty. Look at the color. Oh, I just love this bathing suit. It's so cute, and it reminds me of like the 70s kind of style. I really like that. And the high waist underwear is just really high. Like nothing shows, no flaws shows on your stomach. If you have like stretch mark on your stomach, nothing. So I like that, and I'm showing you the side that have the little crisscross thing, and it's cute. If you're a mommy, and you can definitely take your kids to the pool with this bathing suit. It's so pretty, it's so cute, and I love it. I love the color against my skin too. All right, so on the next one, as I was saying earlier, this is a mommy friendly bathing suit also. It's really cute. It's not revealing at all. It covers your butt, and you can zip it up or zip it down if you like. It's just so cute, and like I said, this is covered your whole butt, and the crisscross in the back is really cute. They have the little bow. Yeah, so if you with your husband, your kids, and you still not trying to look like a grandma, but still be cute with your kids, and you're not trying to reveal too much skin, this is perfect bathing suit for you. And this is the material, that's what I'm trying to show you right here. I have like a pad on the boobs, and the material is like a t-shirt material, a little bit thicker and stretchier, but that's the only that's the only definition I can get to, description I can get to this one. All right, so this red one is very sexy. Oh, I love red against my skin. It's just so pretty. Um, this is just with the blonde hair is everything. I was like, yes. I'm just so used to wearing high waisted bathing suits, so I just love high waist bathing suit. That's why I wasn't really too crazy about it, about the bottom because of that. But for bathing suit, that's not like, it doesn't have push-ups or anything in it, it holds my boobs really nicely. And I like the fact that it's the little two stripe on the side. It kind of make it look a little bit more sexy and things like that. So I really really like it. If you don't already tell, I already walked like two, three times showing you this bathing suit. I'm feeling myself. Leave me alone. All right. And anyways, I love this bathing suit, the color and everything. All right. So the next one is the black one. The black one is super cute too. I like it. It kind of, what I like about it the most is the cut on it. The cut on it, well, like from the back is like, yeah, I do have like some love handles in the back, but when it comes to the front, it kind of cuts you like in a way to make you look taller. I feel like, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I like how it's not just one bedding suit. It kind of cuts a little bit, and then it shows you like it's just so cute. The little top, the little bow on this on the front, and this one also have like extra push up too. It's really cute, and I really feel myself in this bathing suit. To be honest with you, I really like this bathing suit. So yeah, as you can see, I'm like striking poses and I'm feeling myself. Okay. And then yellow bathing suit. I mean, I'm telling you guys, do not sleep on Target. Target is, I mean, they are kind of pricey sometimes, but if you going somewhere and you didn't buy a bathing suit, this you can just run to Target. I feel like Target would never disappoint. They are really cute. This yellow bathing suit is super cute. I mean, they don't have that many cute bathing suit that's like high waisted. The cutest ones don't have are not high waisted, but I still really love them because they're just different. They're cute and they are bright, and I love bright colors during the summer. And they are oh, and they are true to size too. And then you can just try them on. So yeah. The next one is the black one. This black one is really nice on me too. I like it. It's extra high waisted also. It goes all the way up to my belly. It past my belly button. If a high waisted anything, pins, bathing suit, if it past your belly button, you know this is high waisted. Okay, so I like that about these bathing suits. They are really really high waisted, and they have those little buttons. They're not real buttons. They're just like just for style, and I like that. The top is cute too, but I feel like it doesn't have that much support to give you that cleavage that everybody likes. So that's why I wouldn't say the top is really supportive, but alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for stopping back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can bring you more videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell and talk to you guys later. Bye.